What is the difference between AC and DC current? Electricity flows in two main forms, alternating current, or AC, and direct current, or DC. The key difference lies in the direction of electron flow. In AC, the current keeps changing direction, while in DC, it flows steadily in a single direction. Understanding alternating current, AC. Alternating current, or AC, is the most common form of electricity used around the world. It powers our homes, workplaces, and industries. AC direction of flow. In AC, the current doesn't move in just one direction. Instead, it reverses direction periodically. This back and forth movement creates what's called a sinusoidal waveform. AC voltage behavior. Just like the current, the voltage in AC also alternates. It rises and falls, switching between positive and negative values. Common uses. AC is the standard choice for power transmission and distribution. It is what runs our electrical grids, lights, fans, and most household appliances. AC advantages. One of AC's biggest strengths is that it can be easily transformed to higher or lower voltages using transformers. This makes it very efficient for long-distance power transmission. Understanding direct current, DC. Now let's look at direct current, or DC. Unlike AC, DC flows in one constant direction and is commonly used in electronic devices and portable power sources. DC direction and voltage. In DC, the current moves steadily in one direction. The voltage remains constant, which makes it very stable for many applications. DC common uses. DC is widely used in batteries, solar panels, mobile phones, laptops, and even electric vehicles. Most small electronic devices run on DC. Slide 10, DC advantages. DC is predictable and reliable. It's the preferred choice for battery-powered devices and processes like electrolysis, where stable and consistent current is required.